Hey everybody, it's an absolutely gorgeous Saturday here today, and there's something I want to share with you that I think would be especially fun for your kids. Kids are always looking for little projects to do, and here's one that will make them feel so special and so proud. This is an idea I came up with because of something that my sister did for us. This is a video of the rock garden that she made in the backyard. And she started this, about a year ago, and it was quite small at that time, but she has just kept adding and adding to it, and now it is quite large, and let me tell you, it's beautiful. Well, now I realize that these paintings may be a little advanced for your kids, but kids can be so creative left to their own devices. And that's what I want to run by you. Why don't you think about doing something like this with your children or your grandchildren? Let them have a little space in the yard somewhere where they can display painted rocks and have their own special little garden. It doesn't have to be very large, but just something that they can call their own. You can even give it a name like Mary's Pretty Little Rock Garden. You could also add little plants that would enhance the rocks, like maybe small pansies or cactus plants like the chickadees, or you could add other little yard decor to make it look pretty. It's just such a fun thing for the kids to do because they love to paint and they love painting rocks. Just put a paintbrush in their hands and let them run with it. Well, this is something to think about, and I hope you like the idea because I think it is just grand. Thank you for watching me today. Bye-bye.